Hello everyone, it's Caribbean E. Welcome to the channel. This is what construction looks like in the Dominican Republic. Hope everybody's just doing good and having a wonderful day and everything is going great. This is a very tall building that's going up. Tall as the building you see in this picture. They must be very, very careful so they don't fall. Because everything is done manually with their bare hands. And by the way, they're speaking in the Haitian language. Creole, I believe it is. So, you see the building? This is what it's going to look like when it gets completed. Got some more wood just came up. They build their own scaffolds. As they build. Now what's also strange in this country is they're also allowed to sleep at the construction site on the premises while it's being constructed. I couldn't find that in no other country but here. But this is what it looks like. I just showed you the picture. And they have a long ways to go. But in due time, they'll get there. Welcome to the channel. If I can, I'm going to try to show you different stages of the video, different stages of this building, and different videos so that you guys can see what I see. I pray that they do not get hurt, but they're putting this thing up professionally. You'll see what it looks like when they get it complete. Look at the first level is already done. And they're working themselves up to a nice level. Alright guys, soon support the channel. Caribbean E. Instagram, Facebook. And remember, life is to be enjoyed. Peace.